finished like the first coat. I'm gonna go back over it here in a bit after I let it get done drying. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it finish drying, and then after that I'll come back to it. But for right now I'm gonna do that wheel using the same pan for the first coat. I forgot to put the boys ready, burning. Let's put the bag. Oh yeah, so what I did was I put this plastic bag right here because I started back behind here so I could protect the brakes, so none of the paint or spray gets onto the brakes. So just stuff it back here. And then bring that side down. Here, there. Alright, so the sun is busting, but this is pretty much what it looks like. It looks kind of matte, not gonna lie to you. It's not done drying, but I just did a second coat on that one, but I'm about to do this one right here. It's drying up pretty well. That's what I don't like right there. That's what I didn't want to happen. I think I gotta put another coat over it for it to kind of sort of go away. But other than that, it's coming out pretty good. Alright, so I just finished this roll. Hey, this look kind of hard. Hey, this thing look kind of nice. It really just needs some tires, something. That's it. Let's hope everything continues to go well. This one is a little bit dried up, so all these like, hold on, let this mug focus. You can't really see it, but it's like, y'all see it, like right there, right there, right there. It's the cracks that I don't like, really. But let's keep going and see what's up. All right, so before I do the other side, I just want to show before and after. So this is what it looks like with the plastic dip on there, which I don't like a little bit more because it looks a lot harder. And then we have this side, or this side. I like this side more, a whole lot more. So we'll go ahead and do this one. Let me finish up. All right, so the second side is done. Just finish up. Like that. This is the turnout of this side right here. That mug is pretty tough. Okay. So this is the thumbnail right here. But I like that one. I like this actually. Just need to go a little bit darker on the wheels. I mean on the windows. 5% right there. And a little bit of armor. This side's coming in as well. Just finished this side. Move to this side right here. This one. The spots right here. Right here, pretty much everywhere. I'm gonna finish this up and finish this side. Alright, so mission accomplished. This is what it finally came out to. I think I like it. Nah, I do like it. These are the final touches. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. I think it looks pretty cool, especially with the window tint. Kind of matches. Very, very official.